This is the 2024 Kilted Duck Poker Run and Scottish Trials event put on by Skagit Motorcycle Club and sponsored by Skagit Power Sports here in Burlington, Washington. This is my first time ever running the event. I'm not entirely sure what to expect. I do know that it's a poker run course, and then throughout the course you'll stop at these special test sections where you have a trials course set up and you get penalized for dabs and stalls and crashes and that kind of stuff. And then your times are compiled at the end, and the shortest time wins. So we'll see how it goes. Looking forward to seeing what the courses look like. Hopefully they're pretty challenging.
Oh man, almost messed that up big time.
All right, we just rolled into special test number 1. There are 3 special test sections, but you have to do each one twice, and this is one of the ones where you'll have to come back and do it in reverse, which will be interesting.
One? Okay.
Nice run.
That's loose.
It is loose.
I thought I could make those corners. Like, oh no.
Yeah, the one at the bottom of that chute got me too.
Yeah.
I was like, I just don't have the room on my front starting to wash.
You said the same thing.
I had to put my foot down.
I did.
Come back and you do it again.
And we do it backwards though.
Oh, backwards. Okay.
Typical sloppy, wet day up here longer. Going. right about here, it really started raining just super hard. Big old raindrops. We were just getting soaked. We had all kinds of weather today. It was cold and rainy, and then the sun came out a little bit later, as you'll see, but pretty wet right here.
It's really just dumping rain. Oh, can't see shit.
No, Darren,
My goggles, I can't keep them on my freaking helmet. Alright, go ahead. What do you think, Rod?
Special test number 2, another gravel pit. And this one's a little longer than the first one, a little bit more challenging. The thing that gets you on this one is the loose gravel. You just really easy to kind of like lose the front on those sharp, really tight corners, and you end up having to just put a foot down. This one they did not have us do in reverse the second time through, so you just ran it again the same direction. So I'm just showing you my first run through this one. My second run through, I actually had a tip over, which really just cost me a ton of time and points on this one. So it kind of ruined my total score, but overall, this one was another fun one. Just challenging, you know. As you can see, a lot of loose rock to catch you off guard.
Very nice. And back down. Let's see what the end looks like. Ooh, tough. Tough downhill. This is only number 2. We got to do what? 1, 2, 3. We got to do 4 more after this.
you can start. You can start it. Okay, you ready?
Now once you cross this stake here, you are free. It's like a free area, so you can go ahead and dab, mainly because the judges can't see you up here. And you kind of get behind some of these rock piles. So you're free to go ahead and put a foot down as much as you need until you cross the next stake, which is coming up here in just a little bit. Alright, last dab there. There's the stake. Now you're back into a no dab zone. Again, just pretty tight corners. If you're good at tight corners and balancing through them, then you're probably going to do okay in these events. But that loose rock really can kind of get you. As I come right here, the front started to wash, and I just kind of hobbled through it, which saved me from having to dab, but that kind of stuff catches you out on this. This whole section here I cleaned, which was really cool. I'm pretty happy about that. Probably could have gone a little quicker, but I was trying to be careful. This left-hander is pretty tight and tricky, so happy I made it through that one clean. The rest of this is just some rocks, but pretty straight, so not too bad.
Oh, you got some arm pump.
Okay, Jordo.
Smooth and nice.
Oh, thanks. Someone put a rock up there I wasn't expecting though. Just one.
There you go, keep it tight.
And this is the last special test, test number 3. This one was a free area up on top here, so you're free to dab, and I could have gone quite a bit faster, but I was still trying to no dab it just to see if I could. But you could, you know, put a leg out and probably rail around these corners a lot faster than I was going. There was a bit of a shortcut people were taking right there, so my line definitely lost me some time. So now we're in the zone where you're not able to dab, so they're watching you through this section. Nothing too crazy difficult, but coming over this next rock pile, right here, this one caught my front a little bit, so I had to put a foot down there, but the rest of it I got through pretty clean.
$59.52.
I had a rock stuck in my foot peg.
So this is special test number 1, but this time we're back doing it in reverse, which actually was a lot of fun. It adds a level of variety to the course, which I think was cool. It's too bad they couldn't do all of the tests in reverse. They were saying that some of them would probably just be a little too hard if we did them backwards, but I think it would add a good level of variety and challenge to the mix. But overall, you know, I think this one was my favorite one. It was just a lot of fun. Big thanks to Skagit Motorcycle Club for putting the event on. Thanks to Skagit Powersports for sponsoring the event and providing food, which was really cool. Definitely looking forward to coming out next year. I had a lot of fun, so thank you everyone for putting this thing on.
Thank you. Sweet.
Very smooth.
That was fun.
Yeah,
Cool.
really good.
Good course, guys.
Which direction do you like better?
I think I like this direction better because it's like, it's a little intimidating with a little, you know,
Yeah.
the little climb there, but it's good.
Cool.
Rolled right up.
Yeah, I mean, both ways were good.
Yeah, glad you like it.
Yeah. Coming down it the first time, I was like, oh wait, we got to go back up this thing, but it's not that bad.
Good.
Got your little launching pad at the bottom. It's not
Uh-huh, yeah.
All right.
Thank you. Oh shit!